In this video, I'm going to show you how to register Crucial SSD for warranty. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to their official website, which is crucial.com, and you want to scroll down to the very bottom over here, and then it's going to say under customer service, product registration. So you simply want to click on that button, and this is going to take you to a separate page where basically, in case you are a new customer, you'll have to create a new account, but if you are a returning customer that already has an account, you can just sign in using your email and password, okay? So just do either of those. If you click on create account, it's very simple. As you can see, you can create this within just a few seconds. And when you do, you will see this button over here, which says your account has been created. What would you like to do next? And what we're going to do now is we're going to actually sign in to register a product over here. And then again, over here, as you can see, it's going to basically allow you to do this. Let me just close this and let me actually refresh it. So it actually notices I'm signed in. There we go. You want to click top right. Then you want to click over here and then basically type in your login info, so the email address and password, and click on login. And when you do this, it's going to log you into your portal over here, which is basically your account. And in here, you want to click on product registration. Now, here, as you can see, there's a bunch of different things. Just click on that. And then first, you're going to have to put in your product details, which is the serial number. And if you don't know how to basically find this, click on how do I find this? And it's going to take you to a page where it's going to show you exactly how to find it for your own product. Okay. Now, when you've done that, you can return back, type in your serial number here, and then you'll be able to go ahead and put in your purchase details and the confirmation as well. And when you confirm everything, you'll be able to basically find your registered product inside registered products over here. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.